Urban News Journal family. Marcus Hart here, ex-soldier, faithful warrior, coming at you. Did you know 1 in 2 Americans is like really drowning in credit card debt right now, paying thousands in interest to the bank that don't care? I was there. I was there, truly broke, burned out in Milwaukee, thinking that I would never ever escape. But here's the kicker, though. There's one debt hat creditors pray you never find out. Do you really want to know what it is? Stick with me for the next 20 minutes because I'm going to be dropping some street smart, pro say tricks and faith filled wisdom to crush that $6,000 debt monster in 2025. Jesus got my back and he definitely got yours too. So let's fight this together, smash that like button, and let's roll on out. So, family, let's keep it a buck. Matter of fact, two, if you got one. Credit card debt in America just hit 1.21 trillion. That's trillion with a T. The average hustler like you and me, we own around $6,380 with interest rates that are crazy 20%. That's like a landlord jacking up the rent every single month. Except it's your credit card company. And those reward points, man, forget about it. They are a trap. 58% of folks are spending more than just to chase them, which is digging them a much deeper hole. I've been there. Back in my soldier days, I remember I came home to a stack of bills, no savings, creditors blowing up my phone left and right, and I felt like urban chaos was going to swallow me absolutely whole. Have you ever been there? Trust me, staring at your bill, you can't pay. Your heart just racing, wondering, how do I get out? Drop a facts in the comments if that's where you are right now. But here's the truth, and don't be in shame at all. You can fight back. You don't need a fancy lawyer. You don't need some shady credit repair scam. What you need is grit, faith, and all the right moves. Pro se style. And I'm about to break it down for you, all the way down for you. So, all right, family. Here's the one debt hack creditors hate you know. You can negotiate your debt down yourself. No middleman, no high fees. Yep, pro se style. Just like I fought in the court back in the day. But that's another day to talk about. Creditors want you to think that you got to pay every penny plus the interest, but they are shaking in their boots when you know how to play the game. And here's how you do it step by step. So step number one, know your enemy. Pull that credit report up. You can get that for free at annualcreditreport.com. And then you check every single debt, who you owe, how much, and what's past due. I've seen folks get hit with fake charges all the time because they didn't check. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Stack number two, check your enemy. Gather the evidence, the bank statements, the payment receipts, text messages with the creditors. One time I found an old email proving that I'll pay part of a debt that claim, turns out they claim I didn't. And that's right there. That's leverage, folks. That's how you really get some leverage. Step number three, make that call. Call the creditor and ask for a settlement. Start low, like 30% of what you owe. Say, I'm broke, but I can pay X amount of dollars now to settle. They gonna push back, but stay cool though. See, I settled a $2,000 debt for $800 once because I didn't want to pay it back that extreme amount of money because I didn't have that extreme amount of money, and I didn't back down. So step number four, get it in writing. If they agree, demand a settlement letter before you pay even $1. No letter, no deal. I learned that the hard way. Don't let those folks scam you because they will. This hack works because creditors know you could file bankruptcy and they will get nothing. You're the muscle here, but it ain't easy. It's not easy at all. You got to prep yourself like a soldier going to war with these folks. Now, let's talk about the traps. You search all the time, fix my credit, and boom, ads, these content creators, that has these so-called credit repair companies that will promise you miracles if you give them $500 a pop. Fam, most of those creators on YouTube, on TikTok that shoot ads at you, they are scams, absolutely scams. I have went through them and found out myself. They charge you a lot of money for what you can do for free, like few errors on your credit report. But here's the deal, though. Here's the absolute deal. You can dispute errors yourself at Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which costs you nothing at all but a little bit of time. I had $1,000 medical bill a long time ago on my report, and I know for a fact that it wasn't mine. So I filed a dispute online and poof, be gone. 30 days it took. And those debt consolidation loans, they sound nice, but they can tank your credit if you miss one payment. So stick to the Pro Safe hack that I just gave you. It's safer and it keeps your money in your pocket. And do you want to know the biggest scam of all time to avoid in 2025 as we are speaking right now today? Drop a spill the tea in the comments and I'm going to pin the best one. See, family, let's get real here. Debt ain't just a money problem. It's a heart problem. It's stress, it's shame, feeling like you're failing. Hey, I've been there, staring at these bills, wondering if God forgot all about me. But listen, Psalm chapter 37, verse 21 says, wicked borrow and do not repay, but the righteous give generously. God's calling you to be righteous, to fight debt with honor, not fear. Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ. That's your gasoline, family. When creditors are hounding you down, when the bank accounts are at -0.5, Jesus is your advocate for sure. He's flipped the tables on the money changers. Remember that? And he's going to be flipping your situation too. I know it. So you have to pray hard, prep a little harder, and trust that he's got you. I got a free renewal toolkit at marcus-hart.com /credit dash repair. It got all the hacks to keep your head straight. You might want to grab it now, no cost. It helps brothers and sisters in the hood stay focused. And absolutely, it's going to help you too. Now, let me tell you about a sister that I used to know by the name of Tasha in Milwaukee. She was drowning in like $10,000 of credit card debt, a single mom, working 2 jobs, creditors wouldn't quit. She watched one of my videos that I used to post back in the day, and she used the Pro Say hack, negotiated her debt down to $4,000, paid it off in 1 year. 1 year. Now she's rebuilding her credit. She got a new apartment and she's shouting, Jesus did it. That's you, family. You're not just saving money. You are reclaiming your power. One call, one dispute, one settlement. It all has a ripple effect. You're going to be shining in the darkness because you got the light, just like Jesus did. Win or lose, you're going to be growing stronger. So what's stopping you right now? Hit a pause, grab a pen, and start stacking that ammo today. Okay? That's the word, Urban News Journal family. You got the one that hack creditors hate to see. Pro Say steps to fight back and the faith to keep you grounded. Don't let that $6,000 debt monster win. If you hit this with the smash like button and drop a fight on in the comments and share this with a brother or sister stuck in debt, I'm going to give you more goodies. Struggling with credit or debt? You might want to DM me for counseling leads to break free from all of this mess. And I want to help you transform your future. Grab my free debt buster checklist at marcus-hart.com /credit-repair. It's got all the hacks to start today. Want more faith, fire, heat? Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the crew at transformuliveshow.substack.com for weekly wisdom. Check out transformingmedia.com for exclusive content to level up. Keep it real, keep it Jesus first. Many blessings, peace, and lots of love. I'm out.